Just a quick bathroom reset today. Come join me. It's yet another rainy, cold day here in Ontario, Canada. So I figured we'll stay inside where it's nice and warm and get the bathroom cleaned up. We're not cleaning the shower or the tub today because I wipe that down after every shower anyway, so it's not really necessary. Will you be cleaning alongside me, or are you watching for motivation? You might notice that I brought the vacuum into the bathroom. I just temporarily took it out of the way, so it's not there right now, but I've realized that it makes it easier if you vacuum in there first, because it picks up all the lint, dust, and hair, and anything else that's floating around the bathroom that I don't want on my rig. I just want to quickly welcome all the new subscribers. I am so glad you're here with us, and I hope you find this video motivating. And to my regulars, thank you for coming back. You know how much that means to me and the channel. It's that time to put in a new scented wax. After I wiped out the old wax and went to put in the block, it made the bulb burn out. What convenient timing that was. I must admit, the bathroom is my least favorite room to clean. I think it's just because it has so many different surfaces to clean, and it's just so small, so it's hard to do anything in there, especially filming wise. My favorite thing to clean is definitely the mirror, and mirrors in general. I just find that it's instant satisfaction. You can watch as all the little marks and stuff just fade away as you're wiping it down. Oh, and today I thought to bring up my favorite cleaner, the Vim. I love the smell of that, but I've never really thought to bring it upstairs and use it on the sink, so I was glad that I brought that up. And that I also thought to get any cobwebs down. So, what is the weather like where you are? I'm totally tired of this cold weather, and I'm looking forward to spring. And this year, I'm especially looking forward to getting my garden started. I did not garden at all last year, and that's very unusual for me. Every spring, I always get out there. I just have a flower garden, but every spring, I always get out there, clean up the beds. I like to cut all the edges. I have like a curvy garden, so I like to cut all new edges. I always get compliments on it. I don't have a backyard, it's just a front yard. So there's no privacy or anything, and that's kind of what the issue is, because I have problems with one of my neighbors. Do you garden where you are? Or do you have any other hobbies you like to do when the warm weather comes? One thing I can say is I am definitely itching to get outside and clean up a lot of things. First of all, I would like to get my ladder out there and clean up my front window. I want to get my squeegee and bucket out and mop down all the dirt that's on there. And then there's still Christmas stuff that's buried underneath all the snow, and just stuff that it's too cold in general to take down. I just can't wait to be able to get everything put away and freshened up and all my spring stuff out. I've been remembering to give my toilet a quick swish every now and then to prevent hard water buildup. So cleaning it this time was really easy. I didn't have to do any scrubbing or get the pumice stone out. The bathroom's starting to feel much better, and it's definitely worth the effort. This floor that I'm cleaning is a luxury vinyl tile that I got a great deal on. Somebody had a few leftover boxes and pieces, so I definitely snatched that up. And it has real grout lines. The only thing is that some of the adhesive squeezed up between some of the tiles, and I need to get my glue gun and get that off. I just keep forgetting to do it. I originally put this tile at my entryway door first, and the same thing happened there, and I immediately put the glue gun and it cleaned it up, so I just have to do that. But other than that, it's a great floor. It's nice thick tile and it cleans up so nice. We're getting close to the end here, but we still have some finishing touches. We still need to vacuum the mats and place them back on the bathroom floor. And I also decided that I wanted to get my nice hallway mirror cleaned. There's a lot of spots on it that I noticed the other day. So I take the time to get that cleaned up as well. I hope this video helped you make some progress in your own home. Whether you got a lot done, a little, or you just watched the video, that is completely fine. Because the house will wait and there's always tomorrow. Just always try to do something small to help yourself stay on top of your home and keeping it calm and cozy. And if you made it this far, you're officially part of the cozy crew, and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. That really helps the channel. It helps me know that I'm doing something right, and you're 100% welcome to leave a comment on what you watched today, and any feedback you have for me is absolutely wonderful. So please take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.